Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: cohort, C-O-H-O-R-T. Lackadaisical, L-A-C-K-A-D-A-I-S-I-C-A-L. Cohort, a group of people with a shared characteristic or companion. Synonyms: unit, force, companion, mate, comrade, partner, ally, aid, assistant, supporter. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: division, disunity, enemy, foe, opponent, antagonist, adversary. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the police arrested the gang's leader and his cohorts. Lackadaisical, lacking determination and enthusiasm, or careless, lazy. Synonyms: half-hearted, uninterested, languid, enervated, spiritless, lethargic, idle, unconcerned, indolent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: enthusiastic, excited, animated, lively, active, energetic, motivated. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the food was nice enough, but the service was somewhat lackadaisical. Preeminent, P-R-E-E-M-I-N-E-N-T. Cavil, C-A-V-I-L. Preeminent, distinguished or more important, or powerful than all others. Synonyms: ultimate, dominant, outstanding, foremost, supreme, sovereign, principal. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unimportant, insignificant, inferior, least, subordinate, secondary, low. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a preeminent scientist. Cavil, an unreasonable complaint, especially about something trivial. Hope you remember this word trivial, which means not important or worthless. Synonyms: quibble, complain, fuss, niggle, nitpick, squeal, whine. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: accept, agree, approve, applaud, endorse, compliment, praise. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: this is not the time to cavil about petty details. Vice, V-I-C-E. Opposite, A-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Vice, immoral or wicked behavior used as a part of the rank or title of particular position. Example: vice president. Synonyms: wrongdoing, debasement, sin, iniquity, profligacy, libertinage. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: morality, virtue, chastity, honor, modesty, decency, kindness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: drinking in excess is a vice that could lead to addictive behavior. Opposite, appropriate or suitable and right for the occasion. Synonyms: pertinent, applicable, suitable, timely, relevant, relative, apropos. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: inappropriate, extraneous, immaterial, pointless, irrelevant. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: her remarks are extremely opposite to the present discussion. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.